Hi there, welcome to Melting Matters. Today I'll be reviewing the Gongyi BXQ01 Wire Stripping Kit. It can be quite tedious to strip wire just using a pair of pliers. The Gongyi Wire Stripper Kit solves this issue. The kit itself comes in a small plastic box. Inside you'll get the wire stripper, 8 blades, an Allen key, 4 self-tapping screws, 2 flat bench mounting brackets, and an instruction guide. As you can see, the guide itself is really easy to read. It comes with a number of pictures as well as simple instructions on how to use the wire stripper. The plastic bag comes with the cutting blades, the self-tapping screws, and the grub screws which hold the mounting brackets to the wire stripper itself. The wire stripper itself is really robust, has 8 different hole sizes, which allows for a wire gauge range between 6 AWG and 18 AWG. There are 8 circular ports and it takes the standard round wire. As you can see, on top of the wire stripper there are 8 screws. These screws allow for easy adjustment of the blades, so you can gauge the depth of the blade necessary to strip the insulation from the wire itself. These 2 small brackets attach to the front and rear of the wire stripper. Once attached, they can be easily mounted to a bench using the self-tapping screws included with the kit. Alternatively, these brackets can be mounted inside the jaws of a vise to protect the wire stripper from any damage the jaws might make. The rest of the video is pretty self-explanatory. I'll let you watch it in peace, and I'll pop in again at the end of the video to give my opinion on how I think the wire stripper kit performs. Don't forget, if you like this video, please subscribe, like the video itself, and comment. I'm sure to get back to you, and I hope to do a few more reviews in the near future. So overall, I'm really impressed with this wire stripper. It's a basic wire stripper. It's not like the electric ones you see out there. It is a manual device, but it is something that's quite handy. You can just leave it in the toolbox, whip it out whenever you need. I do like the fact that the blades can stay inside the mounting points, so you don't have to worry about continually updating and upgrading and changing the configuration that you've got inside the wire stripper. Just set it and forget it, and it's there for the next time you need to use it. The only issues I had with the wire stripper was when I used the wire stripper to try and strip some multi-stranded aluminium cable. I tended to find the blade itself caught up on the strands inside the cable, which didn't allow the cable to come out cleanly, or the wire itself to come out cleanly from the insulation. It did its job. It cut through the insulation. It allowed me access to the wire, but it did take a little bit more time to actually extract that wire from the insulation. Unlike the copper cable, as soon as I stripped that, regardless if it was multi-stranded or single-stranded, that copper cable just came straight out of the wire insulation. Overall, I think it's a really good product. And as I said before, it's a great little bit of kit if you just want to throw in your toolbox, put in your pocket. If you want to do some wire stripping on Smoko, or if you've got a couple of spare minutes, or even in the lounge room watching a bit of telly. It's a nice small bit of kit, packs away nicely into the box, and yes, the blades can stay attached while you put it in the box, which I found really handy. So if you want to get a really good deal, check the link in the description, jump onto Amazon, do a search for the wire stripper itself, and get yourself one. I really recommend it. Lastly, if you've made it this far, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. It does mean a lot to me, and if you enjoy the content I'm creating, please check out my other videos on my channel, Melting Matters, and let us know what you think. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.